Okay, I don't think I'm supposed to be here. There's literally a giant dinosaur behind me right now. This thing is huge. I can feel the ground shaking. That's a raptor. That's actually a raptor stalking me right now. I need to stay very still. I don't think it's alone. I have to get out of here. This volcano is erupting and everything is running. This is insane. I thought this was a safe spot. But there's something moving in the water behind me. That is not a normal animal. I can hear them all around me. I can't see anything, but something is definitely out there. I'm not sleeping tonight.